Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is the Zenith Chronomaster Sport 160th Anniversary Blue Ceramic. For the 160th anniversary of Zenith in 2025, they made 160 of these. Now, it was also available as a numbers matching boxed set with a Pilot and a Dayfly Extreme, but this one as a solo offering from us is full ceramic, a standalone piece, and as you can see on the back, individually numbered out of the 160 examples. Now, it's 41 millimeters in diameter. It's just like the Chronomaster Sport in every regard except for the blue lacquer dial and then the ceramic composition. So 41 millimeters in diameter, 14 millimeters thick, lug-to-lug if we're just talking about the case, 47.5 millimeters. If we include the first link on each side, the total rigid, inflexible distance across the wrist is 51.1 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now, the watch is not as heavy as you might expect for a full bracelet, substantially sized sports watch. As you can see, being made primarily of sapphire and ceramic, it's not all that heavy. And so the watch has a nice lightness on the wrist, and you can see the nice thing about it is that it is almost entirely ceramic. At first, I suspected that this clasp might be some sort of painted or enameled metal, but actually the only metal part is the interior swing arm. The bracelet is full ceramic, and so is the clasp and the clamshell. We'll throw this watch on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, and it wears nicely. Again, lighter than you would expect given its size in the bracelet, but very comfortable. And because the lug-to-lug of the case is so short, I could easily recommend this for a wrist as small as 15 centimeters circumference, maybe even 14. It does come with a blue rubber strap that gets its own separate steel folding buckle. So on the rubber strap, you could probably make this work on a wrist of 14 centimeters circumference. It also has the full commemorative 160th anniversary boxed set that was part of the 160th anniversary blue ceramic paraphernalia and experience. The bracelet's a lovely piece. As you can see, it's finished exactly as though it were a standard Chronomaster bracelet. So we have polishing, we have beveling, we have satination. You can see removable links are fixed by screws, a strangely uncommon thing to find on ceramic bracelets. They tend to use obtuse bar systems. This you can actually size at home with just a jeweler's screwdriver. The clasp is last year's clasp design, and you can see that. So it's got a steel swing arm internally, and then we've got a clamshell lock externally. All this is ceramic, so you can't scratch it. Ceramic is incredibly resistant, and the worst you're going to find is a little bit of burnishing. If you can see right there, even then, basically rubs right off. And this is a very scratch-resistant component underneath the watch, and you're going to grind that across your desk all day, so this is where you really want that scratch-resistant ceramic. We've got a couple little divot pairs, and you can actually use your strap tool, dismount the spring bar, change the anchoring point inside the clasp to fine-tune the fit. Rolling around now, you can see that the Chronomaster case is distinctive. When these first came out in metal in 2021, there were a lot of comparisons to the Rolex Daytona. It's become more its own watch over the years as new design variants have been launched, and I think it's safe to say that if this were the original version of the watch, no one would have drawn the Daytona comparisons, because this feels very much like its own thing. The case lines are nothing like a Daytona. You can see the break between satin and polish, which is not easy to do in ceramic, and helps to explain the price of this limited edition. You can see that we don't actually have a tachymetric scale on the bezel. It is a striking tenth. So the idea here that because the El Primero has always been able to resolve 1/10 of a second, but is often hard to read fractions of a second, take 10 seconds and spread it out over 360 angular degrees. So it's easy to read your tenths. So here you can see 3 seconds and 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths of a second. And that's how you read it. And so you've got this incredible striking tenth foudroyant system that allows you to easily read tenths of a second. Now you've got a conventional chronograph seconds display right here, running seconds right here, and then a 60-minute chronograph counter. So yes, you do lose chronograph hours, but most people don't use that. Blue lacquer dial, applique rhodium-plated steel indices, rhodium-plated steel hands, as well as Zenith logo. We have the overlapping tritone registers, a long-standing Zenith El Primero design element. We have something you wouldn't have gotten on older El Primeros. We have hacking seconds. This is the El Primero 2, the caliber 3600. And then we've got a quick set date right at the bottom, so you can rapidly and easily correct the date if for whatever reason it is incorrect someday. Now the watch has hacking, quick set, column wheel, and lateral clutch. The column wheel feel is superb. The lateral clutch is visible. And you can see this has the 160 years single year rotor. This is the 3600. This is a 35 joule movement, 60 hours of power reserve, and as always, 36,000 vibrations per hour. It has a silicone escapement to reduce the need for lubrication, as well as reducing oscillating mass and improving timing. And you can see the use of a eccentric screw for fine timing adjustments and Edicron for beat error and timing correction generally. Plus you can see the use of a KIF shock protection spring. And it's a fairly large movement, so it fills this case back nicely. Industrially finished, but handsomely so. It's well worth a sapphire display back. And 100 meters water resistant. You can swim without fear. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.